everyone, this is Surekha. Welcome to the channel eQuest. In this video, we can see the type 2 in letter series. Type 2 problems related to a right-left direction. For example, see the question, the letter which is fourth to the left of the letter, which is fifth to the right of F is. This type of questions come in type 2 letter series. See, from A to Z, I wrote from left to right. This is a normal order. Question is the letter which is fourth to the left of the letter. Left of the letter. We don't know what is this letter. Next, which is fifth to the right of F is. To solve this type of questions, there are two methods. First, let me explain first method. See here, take the second part of the question, which is fifth to the right of F is. First of all, take the letter F. Fifth to the right of F is. To the right. Right means this side. To the right. Left means this side, left hand side. Here in this question, fifth to the right of F is F and fifth one at right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means letter is K. So here letter is K. Now come to the first part of the question. The letter which is fourth to the left of the letter. What is that letter? K. Fourth to the left of the K. Take K and fourth to the left of K. Left means left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer for this question is G. Option D. Okay. This is first method. Second method is without writing all these. Without writing A to Z alphabets. If you know the positions of alphabets in normal order, you can easily solve this question. See the second method. First write the directions. Here the letter which is fourth to the left. To left. Fourth to the left. And which is fifth to the right of F is. Fifth to the right. To right. Fifth one. To left and to right. To left and to right. Both are opposite directions. To left and to right. Opposite directions. So take difference. Difference of these two numbers is 1. Okay. Fifth to the right of which letter? F. Take F. What is the normal position of F? 6. Add 1 to this 6. What is the result? 7. Okay. 7. And 2 right, here 2 left. You have to take which is the higher number, take that direction to right. 7 to right. Okay. What is the seventh letter? G. Seventh letter is G. Answer is G. Okay. Let me explain second example. See the second example. The letter which is sixth to the left of the letter. We don't know what is this letter. And which is eighth to the right of P is. Okay. Which is eighth to the right of P is. So first of all, underline the letter P. Take the second half of this question, that is which is eighth to the right of P is. Eighth one to the right. To the right means this side. Eighth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means letter X. And sixth to the left of the letter. This letter is X. Sixth to the left. Left means this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer. R is the answer. If you write all alphabets from A to Z anywhere, then you can follow this method, method 1. Without writing any alphabet, if you know the positions of each and every alphabet, then go for the second method. Now method 2. In first method, you have to take from second part of the question. But in method 2, directly follow from starting. The letter which is 6th to the left, right directions. To left, 6th to the left of the letter, and which is 8th to the right. To right, 8th to the right. See, two left means this direction, and two right means this direction. Both are in opposite. So two left and two right, both are opposite. So take difference. What is the difference? 2. But what is the letter in question? P. What is the position of P? 16. Okay. Add 2 to this 16. What is the number? 18. What is the 18th letter? That is R. So your answer is R. Okay. Next, third question. Now see the third question. The letter which is third to the right. To right, third to the right, and 7th to the left. 2 left, 7th to the left. See here, 2 right and 2 left. That means this direction. Both are in opposite directions. Take the difference. What is the difference? 4. But in which direction? See, 2 right, 3, and 2 left, 7. 2 right and 2 left. 2 left means opposite of the normal order. Normal order means from A to Z. But here 2 left, opposite direction. That means take minus 4. Okay. Take the given letter O. Position is 15. Then subtract 4 from this 15. Minus 4. Then you get 11. What is the letter? K. Answer is K. Here minus 4 means here 2 left. Final result is 2 left. 2 left means opposite direction for the normal order. So take minus 4. Then result is 11. K is 11th position in normal order. Okay. See, from left and to right. From left 3, to right 7. From left in this direction and to right, same direction. Both are in same direction. So take addition. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 is a positive because 2 right, and from left is also 2 right. So in normal order from A to Z only. So take a positive 10. In the question given letter is O. O position is 15. Then add this 10 to this 15. Then we get 25. What is the 25th letter in alphabet positions? Y. Answer is Y. Okay. See the another type of example. The letter which is third to the left. To the left. To left. Third to left. And which is 7th from the right. From right. And 7th from right. See here. To left means in this direction and from right means the same direction. Both are in same direction. So take addition. Addition is 10. Okay. To left and from right. To left and from right. This is opposite to the normal order. Okay. To left, opposite to the normal order. So take a negative. Minus 10. What is the given letter in this question? O. What is the position? 15. Subtract 10 from this 15. Then we get 5 is the result. What is the 5th positioned letter? E. Answer is E. Why we take a negative here? Here to left and from right. This is opposite to the normal order of alphabets. So take negative, then subtract 10 from this 15, we get 5. Then 5th position the letter is E. Okay. See here, solve this question from Z to A. What is the fifth letter to the left of the fourth letter to the left of H? To the left and again here to the left. What is the given letter? H. So first of all underline H. Take the second half to the left of H. Okay, fourth to the left of H. 1, 2, 3, 4. So letter is L. Next, come to the first part. Fifth letter to the left of. Fifth letter to the left of. Again, fifth letter to the left of L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is Q. Okay, this is first method. To remember the reverse positions of each and every alphabet is difficult. Okay, even to write from Z to A is also difficult. So follow second method, that is very easy. See, what is the fifth letter to the left? First of all, here in question given to the left, change this direction. In the place of left, right side. Okay, to the left means to right. Fifth letter to the right. Of the fourth letter to the left. To the left means again take to right. Okay, fourth. Change the direction. Then to right and to right. To right. Addition. 5 plus 4 is 9. What is the given letter in the question? H. H position is 8. 8 and plus 9. 17. So, a letter in a normal position is Q. Okay. No need to remember reverse positions of each and every alphabet. Again, no need to write from Z to A. Simply follow second method to solve this type of examples. Okay. See the next example. What is the letter which is 5 places to the left? 5 places to the left of the letter which is the fourth letter to the right of N. Okay. Given letter is N. What is the position of N? 14. Okay. What is the letter which is 5 places to the left? But here in this question you have to take the direction from Z to A. 5 places to the left. To the left. Already I told in first example. To the left means you have to change the direction. To left means take to right. 5 places. Okay. Next. Fourth letter to right. To right means take left side. To left. 4. To right means in this direction. To left means in this direction. Opposite. Both are opposite. So take the difference. Difference is 1. Okay. Now the given letter is N. N which is higher to right, normal order, to right. So take positive, then 14 plus 1 is 15. What is the 15th letter in normal order? O. Answer is O. At the end of this video, there are some questions. Do practice and write your answers in comment section. If you learn anything from this video, please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.